What if I told you that AI could be your personal money-making machine in 2025? Imagine no tech skills required, no complex coding, and no huge upfront investment. Welcome back to Next Level Wealth, where we transform cutting-edge technology into real-world wealth. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to turn AI into your own financial growth engine. Today, we're not just talking theory. We're breaking down exactly how AI tools can work for you to generate passive income and build serious wealth. And make sure to stick around until the end. I'm going to reveal a bonus method that almost no one is talking about, but it's creating silent millionaires every single day. Let's start with a classic, investing. Instead of manually analyzing stocks or spending hours researching, you can let AI do the heavy lifting. Tools like Trade Ideas and Tickeron use machine learning to scan thousands of data points and predict market trends. Example: a user of Trade Ideas reported a 25% increase in their portfolio in just 6 months by following AI-generated trading signals. That's the power of data-driven decisions over gut feelings. And the best part is these tools can automate trade alerts and even execute trades for you if you integrate them with platforms like interactive brokers. This turns stock trading into a set-it-and-forget-it system. Next, let's talk about digital real estate. Blogs and content platforms that generate money 24/7. If you're not ready to create your own products, that's okay. Promote AI tools and earn massive affiliate commissions. Platforms like ClickBank and PartnerStack have affiliate programs for AI software like Jasper.ai, Grammarly, and AI trading bots. Example: let's say you promote an AI writing tool with a $99 monthly subscription. If you earn a 30% commission, that's nearly $30 per customer, recurring every single month. Just 100 customers? That's $3,000 a month in passive income. Pro tip: use AI-generated blogs on Medium and newsletters on Substack to build traffic